not back yet. I think she's going to be gone for like 10 days.
Who?
Linda Fick. She'll be back probably around the 25th. She'll be back before the weekend.
That Herb, I go walk around the truck and he says, California? What's with you Californians coming here, taking over this place?
He's from there.
Taking over this place. I said, hold on. I says, we left California. As soon as I can get that plate on me, he says, I'm from California too. I've only been here a month. I go, okay. That frickin' California.
I don't think I need this. We're not taking anything back to Walmart now.
Okay.
That was the other one. That wasn't yesterday's. This is the one when we got the
It's crowded right in here, isn't it?
Yeah, they're building 80 more houses. It's going to get more crowded.
Oh my gosh. They're pulling in that development, man, left and right.
I got to get some towel racks for the kitchen. I need to make a new list for home goods. Now you know why all these Mormon people need 6 and 7 bedrooms.
Yeah, and a huge pantry.
Can you imagine feeding all that? They just go to a little fast food place and it's $100. Well, let's see. Yeah, for 8 people it would be $100 easy. If 2 people are 25.
How about buying clothes for all those kids? Shoes,
You know, and
ties,
school supplies. And
ties and white shirts.
they go to Christensen's. Make it a deal.
So I wonder where he's moving to. Rob. What's his name, Rob?
Yeah. Rob Christensen is Cedar City.
Whoa, this guy looks like
I'll have to go in and introduce myself to him.
To who?
Rob, he's at Christensen, St. George. He works here. We decided not to buy in Cedar City.
Boy, that was a close call. Look at that. It looks like there's more rain coming down over there.
Black clouds over there.
We never get weather like this.
Linda said the cloud formations here are amazing.
They are. They're so different. Is this tractor running or is it parked? He's running.
I'm going to have to see if there's any places in St. George where I can get a pedicure. I was paying 20, and then Bree just raised her prices to 25. Now I come here and it's 30. She better do a darn good pedicure for that much money. See, it looks like rain's falling.
It does.
Here. Somebody's getting water. That Brett was a big hunk of guy, wasn't he? Sheesh. He wasn't a side of beef, he was a whole beef. You're a hindquarter, honey. You're just a hindquarter. See, I don't think these houses here are big enough for Mormon people. At least the big family like that. I don't think they have. Well, they could have some that are, I guess, 6 and 7 bedrooms.
Well, look at Stormy and
Oh yeah, they're Mormon. They only have one.
yeah.
Yeah, you're right. And the people next door, I don't know if they're Mormon or not. You know, Brett kind of made it sound like they weren't. You know, they're just really nice people. Because he said, no, I don't think it was a mission they were on.
Yeah. Well, why else would you go to South America? That didn't seem like a place you'd want to frequent.
And well, it seems like it would be a mission, but I don't think it was because he didn't act like it was. Let's see, it's 5:15 at home. I may have to call Spectrum and some of these people tomorrow and find out what's going on. He screwed up the utilities and everything else.
Fucking jackass.
Yeah.
So has he moved the utilities still in his name and he's not even there?
I don't know what he's done.
Well, good, because what's happening is,
Well, he's not paying the water bill. I gotta look at the water bill and see what the date was.
isn't that a public utility that they can't
Wait,
refuse
no,
service?
it was gas and electric. It wasn't the water company.
So that's his little trailer there.
Yeah. Oh, he's not out. Oh, there's Rod.
Oh yeah.
Let this dog crap on everybody's grass.
Uh-oh, there's La Roca.
Well, this guy's an idiot if he does that.
There's La Roca.
I see him.
They're digging right now out back there. They took their little tractor. Holy shit. They're doing something. They're working late.
They're digging the trench.
Oh, and they're putting it right at the end of the wall.
Well,
I
that's
hope-
what he said.
I hope that's right.
He knows, I guess.
Well, they
You
pulled the
know-
permits.
You know, should I go talk to
No, no.
Monty?
It's up to you. No, I wouldn't say nothing. Don't even say nothing. No. You open up a can of worms. If he has a different opinion, now you're going to try to convince these guys to do something different? Don't even go there.
Well, the walls are continued. They're not like this. They do them like that.
Well, if you look at the drawing that Steph gave us, it was.
It was. Huh?
Yeah.
That's good news. Well, maybe he says, no, that's not how you do it. You do it like this.
If Monty has anything to say, well, you got to talk to La Roca. He pulled permits with the city. Who are
I think
waiting?
I should say something.
No, you already did. Why make an issue out of it? But what I'm saying, honey, is if it becomes an issue, it's got to go to La Roca. You can't step in and supersede what he's already established with the city. You know what I'm saying? They
Yeah.
got a permit.